Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik. He's the head of technical analysis and senior markets analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Boom, boom. Morning to you, Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, let's have a weekly rundown of the charts. Let's kick off with dollar yen. Up, down or sideways?
It's come down to just short of the target for the bear flag, which is our X marks on the bottom right there. Yep. Not X1, X2, those are later targets if we ever get the head and shoulders working properly. At this particular moment, it's curved around and gone back up again. That pattern there is actually called a stick sandwich, would you believe? That sort of action that we've seen.
Stick sandwich,
a stick sandwich, yeah. It's turned around, it's gone up to the neckline, and we are on the neckline. You get two closes above the neckline, and you could see a move similar to the size below it, back above it. That would be something in the order of up about 150 points, so 9.5. So I'd say something like about a 111 or thereabouts, which would tie in with the Fibonacci level, the 50% at 1102. So it would not be unreasonable to see that move up, but there's still pressure from this head and shoulders to wherever it go down. At this point, it's a reaction move. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but we're watching that one.
Understood. Let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Wow, what
it's breaking that. This we've been talking about this for months. Yep. You know, literally December, January onwards. It's this beautiful channel is being tested for the first time ever. 80.35 is the channel line at the moment. It's busted through it, but that's not necessarily closed. Two closes underneath that, and that's the thing to look for. And if we have one which is likely tonight at the moment, then we look for one tomorrow. If that happens, then you've got support at around about just underneath the 80 even area, then around about 79.60, and then really there's nothing then till about the 79.5 area really. I mean, that's really where the good support is, and even then it's not that strong. This is a big move up which has finished its run at the moment, if it's confirmed. If it does come down, it will be quite a big move, and the big one to look for obviously will be the 50% move of the whole thing, which is around about 78.20.
Understood. Okay, let's wrap up this segment with the South African rands.
There's an area in decision.
This has been a very dull chart for us.
Well, it's been a great chart in the sense of it's always been going the opposite way what most commentators have been saying, which is, we're looking for the rand to weaken, you know, Moody's, all this sort of stuff, you know, Ramaphosa, all the fundamentals. The technicals have been saying, no, we're going stronger for the rand. And the rand has gotten, until it's come down to the mid-2015 areas. You look at this May low of 2015, that's just underneath 1170, and the April one is around the 1170 area. We're now starting to run into indecision ahead of that support, and we're not certain. We're so far away from the trend line, the downtrend line, that's not actually sure whether it's actually going to be continuing further or just go sideways a little bit before we then have another crack on the downside. The bear flag target is still sub 1140, but we won't see that until I think we get a little bit closer to that downtrend line.
Eddie, thank you very much.
Thank you.